In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product to a Squarespace website. We'll be working inside the Squarespace dashboard, and the process is straightforward once you know where everything is. This is especially useful if you're setting up an online store or adding a new item to your existing catalog. To begin, go to the left side menu and click on Products and Services. This is the section where Squarespace manages your store-related content. From there, click on Products to open your current product list and access the product management area. Once you're on the products page, click AD Product. Squarespace will then ask what kind of product you want to create. For this example, choose Physical, since this is the option used for items that need to be shipped to customers. Now, you can start entering the product details. First, type in the product name. Make sure this is clear and easy for customers to recognize, since it will appear on your store page and product listing. After that, type the description. This is where you explain what the product is, what makes it valuable, and any important details a customer should know before purchasing. Next, click Add Images to upload product photos. Good images can make a big difference, so it's a good idea to use clear, high-quality pictures that show the product from useful angles. This helps shoppers feel more confident about what they're buying. After the images are added, enter the price of the product. Be sure to double check this before saving, since pricing is one of the most important details on the listing. Then add the SKU, which stands for Stock Keeping Unit. This is helpful for inventory tracking and internal organization, especially if you manage multiple products. You'll also see fields for GTIN and MPN. Add the GTIN if your product has a global trade item number, and enter the MPN if there is a manufacturer part number available. These fields can help with product identification and can also improve the quality of your product data. Once all of your information is filled in, move to the Save option. Hover over Save to view the available publishing choices. At this point, you can choose whether to publish the product right away, save it as hidden if you want to keep it off the live site for now, or schedule it if you want it to go live automatically at a later time. And that's it. After selecting the option that works best for you, your product setup is complete. This is a simple but important workflow to know if you're managing an online store in Squarespace, and once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes much faster.